Hello everybody, I'm Bobby, and on today's episode I'm going to be taking a look at the SOLIOM outdoor solar battery powered security camera S70. So your camera's going to come to you in a box that looks like this, and on this side of the box it's got different examples of what it would look like if you installed it on wood, concrete, and also got a picture like of your Android or your iPhone where you've got the application. You're going to see what the camera sees when it's activated. Up here it has 365 days of worry-free recording, self-sustaining solar panel with built-in battery. All the SOLIOM needs is direct sunlight. Talk to visitors anywhere, anytime. That's pretty cool. So you can talk to people and they can talk back to you, even if you're not anywhere near your camera. It says monitor your home and check on your deliveries. Watch on your kids playing in the yard, and instant alert to notify you of any motions within its range. So it's motion activated through an infrared sensor. On this side, it's got different specs. It says 100% wireless, no cables or wires needed, zero frustration installation. Right here, it says solar powered, powered by a solar panel and a built-in battery, self-sustaining and 24/7 standby. Right here it says it's got 1080p HD video. Keep an eye on visitors entering your home in high definition. So it's got a really high quality picture when you're looking at what it's seeing. It says live monitoring, video on demand, and directly from your smartphone. Night vision. SOLIOM never misses movements at night with infrared night vision. Two-way audio. Hear and speak to anyone who is within the range from your phone. Motion detection. Receive instant alerts when visitors are triggered, and the built-in motion sensors. So in other words, it's going to give you a notification on your phone that someone's there. And it says full IP66 waterproof to withstand the extreme weather, and its high quality plastic and new generation battery. So it's going to be waterproof, so it's not going to be affected by rain or snow or anything like that. So now I'm going to take a time, we're going to open it up and look and see what's inside the box. All right, so we're going to go ahead now and open the box up. And first you got to take the plastic off, and then it looks like slides off of the top there. Alright, so the first thing I see inside the box is the camera sitting right there on the top, and you can see the solar panels. Let's take a look at the camera. Alright, so the camera's got solar panels. It's got like, looks like wings. There's a piece of plastic, a protective film over the front. Right here it looks like it's a sensor, and this right here is your infrared detectors and your lens. Underneath of the bottom of it, this one is camouflage. That's pretty cool. So it's going to make it hard for people to see. It's going to blend in with your tree. You put it in a tree, it's going to blend in with your environment. Underneath of the bottom of it, it has a place for your USB port so you can do your initial charge. It's got an on and an off button that you can hold down and depress. It's got a place for a micro SD card so you can record on that SD card. It's also has a waterproof rubber flap that you can put down that closes so water and rain and ice, snow, or anything can't get in there, so it's protected. It also has a threaded area underneath of the bottom for mounting it to the mounting bracket. So it's very sturdy. It's a nice looking camera. It's not big. It's about the same size as most other security cameras that I've seen. So I'm going to go ahead on down, and we're going to take that off to the side and dig a little deeper in the box and see what else is in here. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. All right, so you've got an aluminum mounting bracket that's got a wheel that you can, it's a swivel, so you can loosen that up, and this part swivels around like that, so you can hook your camera up to it. So it gives you a lot of different mounting options. You can turn it, swivel it this way or that way, and aim it in whatever direction that you want to use it. It seems to be made out of aluminum. It's not plastic, so it's kind of heavy duty. Looks to be powder coated. Comes with a USB charger port that goes from USB to micro USB. So you're going to use this to charge it initially when you first get it, and then after that it'll rely on the solar panel to do its charging. It comes with a little screwdriver with a little small Phillips end and two little tiny small screws that appear to be replacement screws for these little screws that are located right here underneath of the solar panels on the bottom in case one falls out or you lose one or something from, I guess you could take off your solar panel or whatnot. If one of these screws are missing, then you can replace them. It's got two little extra screws that comes in a container, a little package, plastic package like that. It's got some wall anchors and screws for anchoring the mounting bracket to a wall. And it's got a little packing note. And let's see what's, it's got an envelope. Inside the envelope, it says SOLIOM. It's like a little card. It says warranty policy. It's got your warranty. It says that all products sold by SOLIOM are covered by a 12-month full replacement warranty. Follow us for more care at www.facebook.com/SOLIOM That's right. And on Instagram, and it says over here, thank you so much for your order. Happy with it? Share your experience by writing a review and feedback on Amazon. Any questions, please contact us. And it's got their contact information on that card right there. It's got another little card that says, leave us a review on any channel and we'll return the favor by donating $1 to UNICEF. And on this side, it's got a picture that says, for every child, a fair chance is $1 across 190 countries and territories. That's the little card that comes in there with it. It has some stickers. The sticker says, warning, SOLIOM 24-hour audio video surveillance. So you can put these on your doors or windows or whatnot to try to deter someone if they want to come in before they break into your home. It's got some type of a little key, and I'm not quite sure what that says. It's a reset pin. That's what it says. And let's take a look at the instructions. Outdoor wireless solar camera user manual for the model S70. I can't really read this upside down, but we're just gonna kind of open it up. It's got a table of contents. It's got a picture of your camera right there, and it says it's a product diagram. It tells you that that's your bracket, and as your solar panels and your light sensor and your lens and whatnot. And underneath at the bottom, it shows your power button, your card slot, USB, reset, your microphone. So the microphone is right there, and it says that it's got a power button. So on the next page, it says charging. Please charge the camera about 6 to 8 hours by plugging it into a power source using the provided USB cable after connecting the camera with the app. The app will indicate the battery status, and there's no indicator to show the charging status for the camera. Insert the SD card. Please format the SD card to FAT32 format application to Windows system only. Then install the micro SD card when the camera is off. The camera only supports class 10 SD cards with at least 8 gigabytes capacity and a maximum capacity of 64 gigabytes. It has a package content that shows you what comes in the package that we already looked at. And over here it says it has an in-app setup. Make sure that the distance between your phone and router and the camera are no more than 1.5 feet when you're ready to pair the camera. So you have to pair it with your camera before. You're going to want to pair this with your router before you take it outside and install it. It says that be ready to pair the camera. Ensure that the Wi-Fi signal strength on your phone is good. Download the application. It works only on iOS and Android devices. Please locate the SOLIOM in your Google Play Store and App Store and download the SOLIOM app. Turn on the camera, press the power button, then turn on the camera. After 3 seconds, the LED flashes blue. And then you will hear the following voice: the camera is now ready to begin pairing. So once you've paired it, then it goes through and it shows you your different applications and stuff like that that's on your app that you're going to see on your phone, and this is instructions on how to operate it and whatnot. It's some diagrams on how you can place it and everything, and it's got different specs on what it's going to do and all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a tutorial on how to install it, and we're going to go over the app and take a look and see how it performs. All right, so now the device has been charged with the USB that was included in the box. You just push this little button right here and it'll say ready to pair, and then you hold it up and you install the app into your phone, and you pair the two devices, and you can see right now it's looking at what I'm doing right here on this phone. You see? So that's what it's going to look like. That's your application and stuff. So now the device is working. I'm going to go ahead on and install it. That's just a simple couple screws. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mount this with the screws that it came with. Releasing this little piece up right here. I'll go ahead and screw the camera on there. Make sure that you put this little waterproof thing back down. Keep it waterproof. And that's all it is to install it. You gotta make sure that you put it somewhere where that you got electricity, where the sunlight can get it and it'll charge your battery up. And also, if you want to use it inside, you can take that little attached screwdriver and take these two solar panels off so you can use it inside. And you want to put it somewhere where it's going to get at least an hour to 3 hours of sunlight every day. All right, so I want to go in on there and let's just see what it's seeing. So this is my phone right here, and this is what the camera's actually seeing. It's seeing cars going up and down the road and whatnot, and this is on your application after you install it. And down here at the bottom, you can there's an option to take a picture. You can take a picture of what it sees. Also, there's a little camera right here where you can record. You can start recording like that, and it's recording a video of what it's seeing. And stop with that. There's a speaker right here where I could talk, and I could say something like that through my phone, and they can hear me, and then they can talk back or whatnot. And that's that option right there. So it's two-way talking, and so that's pretty much it. The SOLIOM camera, it's all installed. The app, it's all seemed pretty simple. It's waterproof. I put it out somewhere where it's going to get sunlight, so it's going to be charged. It did the initial charge with the USB port. So make sure you go on Amazon and purchase this SOLIOM solar-powered camera. Stuff is easy to install with no wires to have to run or anything like that. And install the application, install the camera. It only takes a couple of minutes, and then you'll be able to, anywhere you're at, see who's there and talk to them 2 ways and record or whatnot, and you have your security camera. So thanks for watching the video. Have a good day, and subscribe to Get Go TV, and check out some of my other reviews, as I'll be doing several others in the near future. And purchase your SOLIOM camera on Amazon. Y'all have a good day now.